Good morning. Topic surface areas and volumes. Exercise 13.7. Question number 5. The question is a conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? Okay, so question is a conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter. So diameter is given 3.5 meter and 12 meter deep, that is height. What is the capacity? So we know capacity means volume of the conical, and its formula is 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, so here diameter equal to diameter equal to 3.5 meter and radius, therefore radius equal to radius r equal to 3.5 by 2 meter. Okay, so we can write 3.5 means 35 by 2 into 10. 5 7 35 and 5 2 is 10 equal to 7 by 4 meter. Okay, this is the radius. Now also given height or depth. Height equal to, that is h, 12 meter. 12 meter. Okay, so now question is find the capacity. So capacity equal to 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1/3 into 22/7 pi, and radius is 7/4, that is 7/4 into 7/4 into height is 12. This unit is meter cube. Okay, capacity unit means volume unit. Now calculate. Now 7 7 cancel, 4 3 are 12, 4 3 and 3 3 3 3. Now 22 into 7, 154 by 4, 154 by 4, so it will go by 2, so 154, that is 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, the 77 by 2, 77 by 2 meter cube. Okay, question is in kiloliter, so we know (77 by 2) means 38.5.
Good morning, sir.
38.5 meter cube. Now 38.5 we can write kiloliter. 38.5 kL. Kiloliter, because since 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay, so capacity is 38.5 kiloliter. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, clear this? Hello? Next, question 6. 6 number question. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. Okay, so capacity is given 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, so find height of the cone, slant height of the cone, and curved surface area of the cone. Okay, so here it is given 6 number. So volume of the cone 9856 centimeter cube. So diameter equal to diameter of the base 28 centimeter. Diameter is 28 centimeter. Okay, now radius, therefore radius r equal to 28 by 2 equal to 14 centimeter. So radius is 14 centimeter. Now for first question, so start from, it is given volume equal to 9856. Okay, and its formula is, we know, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi r square h equal to 9856. Now 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, and radius is 14, so 14 into 14, and height, question height is not given, we have to find height, so it is equal to 9856. Okay, now 7 and 14 will go, 7 to the 14, 7 and 2, 7 2. So h equal to 9856 into 3. Into 3, 9856 into 3, total divided by 22 into 14. Okay, now calculate now.
Sir, which question?
Question number, we are doing question number 6, exercise 13.7. Okay, so it will go by 7, no, 9856. 9856 717, so 28, 47 28, then 0 7 8 56, 7 2 ja 14. Okay, then it will go by 2, so 2 and 1408, so 7 2 ja 14, 0 4, 4 to the 8. Now so h equal to 704 into 3 divided by 22 into 2. Okay. Now it will go by 2, 704. So 3 2 ja
351. It's 352.
5 2 352 by 2. Okay. Then 11 3 11 33. It will go by 11. 3 11 33 to 11 to ja 22. 22. So 11 to 22. 2. Again 2 and 16. 16 to ja 32. 2 and 16. 16. So 3 equal to 3 into 16. 16 equal to 48. Okay. So height is equal to, therefore, 48 centimeter. Equal to 48 centimeter. Okay. This is the height of the cone. Next, number 2, slant height of the cone. Now, so number part 2. So height is equal to 48 centimeter and radius equal to, radius is 14 centimeter 14. Okay. So slant height you have to find. So we know the relation is Pythagoras theorem. We know L square equal to H square plus R square. So L is the slant height. So L square equal to H. H is 48 square plus radius is 14. Radius is 14. Now what is 48 square? 48 into 48. Hello. 48 into 48. Yes. 48 into 48. Yes. Multiply. 2304 plus 14 square 196. 14 into 14. Now sum of this. So L square equal to 2500. Now L equal to slant height under root 2500. 5525. So it is 50. 50. So therefore slant height equal to 50 centimeter. Okay. So one more question is part 3, curved surface area of the cone. So what is the formula of curved surface area of the cone? Hello. Hello.
Wait.
Curved surface area of a cone, CSA. Curved surface area of the cone equal to, what is the formula? Pi RL.
2 pi r.
Only pi RL, curved surface area of the cone. Pi RL equal to pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 14 and slant height is 50. So curved surface area you need centimeter square area. Now 7 to the 14, 7 to
2 times.
okay. Then 22 into
44 into 50.
22 into 100. 50 into 2,
Okay,
100.
sir.
So 2200.
Yes, sir. 2200.
2200 centimeter square. Okay. This is the curved
Okay,
surface
sir.
area. This is the curved surface area of a cone. Clear this question? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Written? Completed, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. 3 sides 5, 12 and 13 is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Okay? Find the volume of the solid so obtained. This is the question. Now, you draw a cone. Okay. So this angle is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Centimeter. 12 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, right triangle ABC revolved about the side ABC about the side about the side 12 centimeter. We obtained conical solid whose height is 12 centimeter. Height is 12 centimeter and radius of the cone is 5 centimeter R. Okay, and H is equal to 12 height 12 centimeter. Therefore, as per question, so volume of a cone equal to, we know the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi. Pi is, you can write pi here also, pi only, into r. Radius is 5. So 5 into 5 and height is 12 centimeter cube unit. 3 4 is 12, 3 and 4. So 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4, 100, equal to 100 pi. Equal to 100 pi centimeter cube. Okay. This is the answer. 100 pi centimeter cube, volume of a cone. Is okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, see question number 8. This one write down, no, written.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Written.
Written.
8 number is, if the ABC in this questions, before this question, that is the number 7, ABC in the question 7, above is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. Okay. Then find the volume of the solid so obtained, and find also the ratio of the volumes of the solid obtained in question 7 and 8. These two question answer ratio you have to find, 7 and 8. Okay. And same type question 7 and 8. This is 90 degree. This is A. B. C. Okay. Side is 12. This is change. No, it is question is about is the revolve about the side 5 centimeter. So this is 5. This is 5. This is 12.
Sir, why didn't we take the value of pi in number 7?
Yes, question number 7. Oh, pi, 100 pi answer. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, why didn't we take the value of pi as 22/7?
Oh, you can take. Okay. Because NCERT answer is like this, no? So we are taking like this only. Bas. You can take, no problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So here R equal to, here radius equal to 12 centimeter and height h equal to 5 centimeter. In this question number 8, 5 centimeter height. Now volume equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So this equal to 1/3 pi into our radius is 12, 12 into 12, and height is 5 centimeter cube. Okay, so 3 4 12, 3 and 4 card, 3 and 12, 3 4 is 12. So this equal to 4 into 5 20, 20 into 12 equal to 240 pi. 240 pi. 240 pi centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of this question number 8. Now, required ratio, question number 7 answer and question number 8 answer. Hence, required ratio equal to 100 pi is to 240 pi. So equal to 100 pi by 240 pi. 100 pi by 240 pi. So pi cancel, 100 by 240. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 0 cancel. 10 by 24, that is 5 by 12. Okay, so it is 5:12. This is the answer. Okay. Clear it is? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Clear? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Thank you.